Hey, good morning, everybody. It's early. It's like 7:30. I just wanted to hit y'all up because I was really excited about this opportunity that came across me and my family today. We actually gonna be heading to Winter Park, and for the first time in my life, probably gonna go do some skiing, and then I get to take, my guys with me, my two oldest sons. I get to take them with me. So meet up with some friends out there and learn how to go skiing. So this for me is really important because I get to allow my children to broaden their horizons while also learning new things. So for me as a parent, that's really important. It's a special day, a special moment. I just wanted to get on and share it with you. I'm gonna be trying to do more lives, and I hope that y'all enjoy the book, and I hope y'all enjoy the content. Well, take care. I'll talk to y'all soon, and enjoy the videos. All right.
Get the best footage I can. Yeah, we got some projects to work on when we get home.
Already cut it. I think I'm doing it all.
Oh yeah, you need to get your. Did you get your shoe?
Yeah, they did. I feel good because I got my sons with me, and I get a chance to show them a little something different. Can't lie, it's an exciting moment right now. I can't lie, this is exciting.
Word. Dang. That's good.
Your ankle. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no flexion.
No, it's not the leg.
I think it's the ankle because you can't bend to get that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
So it's like you're just walking your whole foot, like your whole.
You might be like.
Yeah, that's how I feel. Like you might as well. About to go get some food. We woke up early to make sure we got here. So we about to go get some food, feed these guys. Everybody got ski on.
When you turn up the hill, you stop. Can you ski up the hill? No. Right? You gotta remember that. Anytime you want to stop, turn and turn up the hill as much as you can.
Okay. So how do you turn the body?
Yeah. So biggest thing is you're gonna slow down by pizza. Is to turn. The weird thing is to turn this way. You're gonna point this foot a little bit more here than you're gonna turn that way. You want to turn this way, point this foot a little bit more here, you're gonna turn that way. So it's opposite. So you just gotta remember that it's opposite, and ingrain that in your head.
Okay.
And we'll show you. We'll get up there and we'll show you.
But when you say opposite, you said turn this way. You said if I want to go this way, I
Right.
turn this out a little bit,
Right.
and then my body.
Right, so you're already going to be pizzaing, right?
Yep.
So
Like that.
turn that a little bit, just like this with the skis. The biggest thing is don't cross the tip of the skis. That's the only awkward part. Turn right here, you're going to go that way. Turn right here, you're going to go that way. So, and I know it's a lot more difficult than that in application, but that's the principle. That's the
As long as you got the principle down, you can get up. You can put it to application.
So from here, we'll probably just walk up there. That'll probably be the easiest thing for you. So the thing is, when you're getting off the lift, I would have one hand on the lift. That way you're feeling where the lift is at, and even using your hand to push up so that you've got a little bit of balance when you first start getting off.
Y'all have fun.
Just get used to the awkwardness of it. Because I'm telling you, man, today it's just going to be awkward. It was for me, dude. I promise you. First day I did it, I was like, ah, you know. I get it, yeah. Big thing is, too, just don't let your feet cross. Yeah, try them down a little bit. There you go. Turn around. And then just push forward. Watch out.
Oh.
Fall in that hole.
Why'd you drop the?
Only thing is like, okay, what's good? So look, we on the skis now. I ain't gonna lie, so
Zion. Yo,
my man over there.
trying to get.
I like snugging.
I thought it was over for you. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, this way?
Whichever way, wherever you want to go. Just go ahead and pizza. Go ahead and pizza and slow down and then turn. There you go. Turn up that way if you want. There you go. Turn up the hill, turn up the hill. I would totally stop right here. Go ahead and totally stop. There you go. Uh-oh. No! All right. Sorry. You all right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Zion scared of shit.
He's like, no movement at all. Yes, sir. Nah, yo, guys, we are here. We are here.
So what's gonna happen when we hit this joint?
When we have to be coordinated. We have to come off at the same time.
Really?
Yeah, it's like as soon like it's not gonna stop.
It's just gonna go.
It's gonna go. So but you're gonna be able. Yeah, I did it. You
gonna be
can do
okay?
it. Yeah, you're gonna be good.
Man, look how high we are. Guys.
Yeah, we dumb high. I ain't gonna lie.
We are up there. No seatbelts.
See, like you fall, it's like you're wrong. But I think they have like.
Oh, these are your seatbelts.
What?
There you go. Practice doing that. And then go parallel again. And then practice doing a pizza. Just a quick pizza. Go ahead and pizza. There you go. You're scraping the snow. Your skis are stopping you from going forward. Right? So,
I'm gonna test it out when we go down.
yeah.
But make sure,
So now-
get the concept. Make sure
Right.
you get
Yeah,
the
so-
concept.
That's why I want to test it out.
So before we go any further, you need to go a tiny bit further, and then you need to full on stop and not go downhill. And I mean like, so where you barely get going. You need to get
stop at that tree.
right. Now here's the other thing too about turning. To turn, we're gonna want to stop. No, we're gonna want to stop way before that tree. You're gonna right about here. You're gonna start going fast.
Okay.
This is an actual slope. You have not seen anything like this yet. I'm just telling you, you can go really fast here. So basically, we need to turn a little bit that way. Now, here's how you turn.
Nah, he fell. No, he's lit.
Yes, sir.
I'll be ready to come meet you.
Well, can I get this one? And then we can take the break.
So try to teach about a turn. Right here, you don't necessarily have to turn. It's not that, but a little bit. You were turning some. You might not have realized it.
You saw that crazy run?
There you go. Look at that. Dig your right foot in and turn up to the left. Right foot, right foot, right foot. Right foot in, you'll turn up to the left. There you go. You're doing it a little bit. Yeah. Look at Phil. Phil's tearing it up. Almost ready to ski some black diamonds. Pizza, pizza and turn. There you go. Look at that. Your pizza. You're doing that.
Ryan, you stopped good. There you go.
Look at you guys. Don't get going too fast though, guys. Stay going slow. I need to teach you guys how to turn more in a minute. There you go. You're turning. There you go. Turn that right foot like that. See that? Turn that right foot like that. Take that, and you're going to turn up that way. Right foot up. Do a pizza while you're in that pizza turn. Yeah. Do the right foot up, and you'll turn up. Look at Phil. Skiing extraordinaire. Look at you guys. Awesome. Now turn all the way uphill. You're getting kind of going fast. Turn all the way uphill. See that? You turn uphill, you're gonna stop. Yeah, that was excellent, Duck. You want to turn up that hill. You're about to get in the fast spot. You want to turn all the way up the hill and stop, man. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn and stop. You're going too fast. Turn up and stop. Great. There you go. Did he stop? Yeah, now turn the other. Dude, you're about getting it. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Dude, you're skiing. You are a skiing machine. Now turn up the other way. Before you go down this, turn to the right. Turn the other side. Stop for a minute. Yeah, there you go. Just stop for a minute. Don't go down this. Pizza hard, pizza hard, pizza hard, pizza hard. Now, okay, good. There you go. Get it. Go all the way. Turn the other direction. Turn the other way. Okay, or that way. Just don't hit a tree, man, whatever you do. All right, here we go. Look at that. Whoa, just stay. You got it. Just keep balance. Keep balance. Keep balance. Good, you got it. Well, you skied. Look at this. Perfect. Now practice skiing from side to side. Practice turning. There you go. Down to the other side. Dude, you're getting it. You were full on skiing. Look at that. All right. Turn to one side. Turn to one side. All right. There you go. All right. At least you didn't go down it too fast. Good. Turn to one side. Ooh, there you go. That's something good.
Clic, bro. Ça tue, ça blesse, ça flingue. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Bro. Gazo.